Hi friends, welcome to English Lighthouse channel. Today, we are going to learn something super fun, 50 opposite words in English. Hot, cold, big, small, happy, sad, fast, slow, up, down, light, dark, day, night, open, close, full, empty, tall, short, young, old, clean, dirty, wet, dry, strong, weak, heavy, light, inside, outside, above, below, left, right, front, back, high, low, long, short, thick, thin, wide, narrow, soft, hard, loud, quiet, bright, dull, rich, poor, love, hate, give, take, push, pull, buy, sell, start, finish, enter, exit, win, lose, true, false, on, off, forward, backward, rise, fall, add, subtract, question, answer, laugh, cry, friend, enemy, healthy, sick, safe, dangerous, easy, difficult, near, far, same, different, build, destroy, arrive, depart, smile, frown. Wow, you learned 50 opposite words today. Don't forget to practice these words with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.